ODA is very much aligned with the Salesforce approach and methodology of being open, following open standards. So it naturally fits with our common objective and our goal. There are many benefits for using ODA. Reduce the time to market for bringing out new innovations, reduce the cost, and most importantly, it's the agility that it brings as we roll out new innovations. I would say those are the top three benefits of using ODA. We all know in a multi-party ecosystem, there is no single player, there's no single one player. We are all in it together. And in that kind of a scenario, we all have to work and operate following common standards, a common framework. And ODA gives that umbrella of standards, whether it be processes or APIs, that all solution providers like Salesforce can come together and integrate with other solution providers to meet the common objective.